Bakit dalawang bed lang? Nasaan yung kids?
Kasi yung kids daw gagawa niya ng tatanami.
Oh! Yung kids daw gagawan niya ng tatanami. Actually, dito sa Japan pala, the Japanese law says that kids 7 years old above are already considered adults. Kaya, yung dalawang kids dapat adult rate. But since it's New Year, pinagbigyan niya tayo. Sabi niya, kids rate na lang din daw sila. Whoa! And then dito, there's amenities. Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Nespresso. Oh! May Nespresso, percolator. This is the ice one.
We have a big refrigerator.
Refrigerators down here. Okay. Ano pa dito?
Closet.
Uy! Uy, ba't ka tumatago dyan, bro? Yo! Ella, check the sink. Check if they left money there.
Bro, you always say that.
Bro.
They never, look, they never left anything.
No! No one left their wallet. But last time I saw 6,000 yen there. Ito. Guys, sample sa sensor. Yan. Lapit ka dun. Oh!
Hindi gumana.
Oh! You broke it. You broke it, tatay! Yung sensor na sinasabi niya nag-automatic. Baka nanay mo lang nagpindot.
Bro.
Nanay niya yung nag-on, hindi automatic yan. Ay sus. Okay, next one.